I want to express my gratitude to Muslim Institute for extending a very cordial invitation to me. Muslim Institute's writers' efforts in fostering law, love and harmony within the Muslim world and humanity at large are truly commendable and praiseworthy. The SAIT team, under the patronage of its chairman, my brother, is well organized, well equipped, and is a diligent team that is playing a pivotal role in the noble cause of peace, harmony, and coexistence. Excellencies and dear participants, I would also like to highlight the remarkable warmth and respect demonstrated by the people of Pakistan toward us, Azerbaijan, and treating us like their own brothers. The Islamic Republic of Pakistan is our brotherly state of Azerbaijan, and we are working together tirelessly for the promotion of the peace, love and harmony at global scale also. One of the main linkages between our state of Azerbaijan and Pakistan is also studying the Sufism, reflection on the literature. Sufism always tried to bring harmony and coexistence to society by their peaceful messages. To report an instance of the same, I would love to share the story of my recent visit to the shrine of aḍrat Sultan Bahoo. I was deeply touched by the warm welcome extended to us by the locals also. The shrine's organized system and its very emphasis on education are truly praiseworthy. It was really an honor and joyful memory for me and for my family to be guest of His Excellency Sahibzada Sultan Ahmed Ali, Chairman of the Muslim Institute. In the end, I will again offer my heartiest congratulations to the organizing team. It is my fervent desire to see increased interactions between the people of Azerbaijan and Pakistan, fostering cultural exchange and further strengthening the bond between our brotherly nations. Thank you so much all for listening. Thank you very much. Long live Pakistan, Azerbaijan brotherhood. Thank you very much.